Hold up.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Win, 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 win.
Yeah.
Curve everything else. Win, 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 win.
Win.
These ops ain't lit.
What's up? Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we have another hair video. Anytime she puts on a shortcut, y'all absolutely live for it. So today I'm here to show you where I got this beautiful wig from. So if you'd like to learn more about it, just keep on watching. Alright, so here it is, the info. We have a NABEAUTY wig. Like, this little pixie cut wig was so fire, and I really didn't have to do much to it to get it together, but we're going to go ahead and take you through that process. So here's what comes in your box. You get an elastic band that you can attach to your wig for better security, little info card per usual, a wig cap, too light for me, but you know, good to have, and some lashes. And these lashes were actually cute. So cute packaging, and I was just living for it. So now to the main event, this wig. This is how it comes straight out the pack. Honestly, you could just slap this mug on and go about your day, but you know I'm tan, and what is tan without a little bit of zhuzhing? So this is the inside of the cap. It is a 13 by 6 inch frontal closure, so you can see you have a lot of parting space, and then it has 4 combs for security that you can, you know, put into your braids so your wig stays secure. There's 2 on the side, 1 at the back of the parting area, and then 1 on the back at the nape of the neck. So I mean, you're not going to put this up because it literally will not go in a ponytail, but you have it back there. You have some lace back there too, just to make it look flush and flush to your skin. The hair was really soft, pretty, and it was a really good density for the style of the hair. Like, if it was much fuller than this, I think it would look crazy, but this density of it was absolutely perfect. So just gonna slap this bad boy on, and it comes pre-parted, but that's not my good side, so I had to do some zhuzhing to it. But this is what the hair looks like straight out the pack and just slapped on my head. So I used my, what is it, Garnier or Herbal Essences foam to flip my part and get it together, because like I said, the pre-part that it came with was not on my good side, so we had to get her together. This hair does move really easily, and with the foam it just came together really quick. Then I just used my comb to part it, because we do have that 6 inches of parting space, so I was trying to utilize it. All right, the tracks in it are already pretty well hidden, so I didn't have to do much of anything to it. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off, and then we'll get to finessing this hairline. We're not going to do too much plucking, because you know she hates plucking. We're never here for the plucking. But we are going to make it look a little bit more realistic and get it customized to our head, because with the 13 by 6 inch frontal, you want to put your frontal on as normal and then just cut it wherever you need it so that it lays nicely on your head.
But when you take it from me.
So before I even decided to add the customization, I lived for baby hairs just because I wasn't pretty to have them. But you can see here the hairline looks really nice, and just because it is a shortcut, you can have that fuller hairline. I don't feel like it really needed too much customization, so I was going ahead and doing a little styling to the hair just to see what it would look like. But in the end, I felt like I just wanted some baby hair, so we did go ahead and add those in. So here I am just using my comb, and we use the typical Eco styling gel to lay them down. So use the metal part of my rat tail comb to pull out some hairs in the front. My shears to cut them a little bit shorter so it blends in more easily. And we just got the baby hairs together, you know, nothing too jazzy. You have plenty of videos of me showing this in detail, etc. And again, just getting the hair nice and flat to look, it already looks extremely natural to me. I'm absolutely loving it. And this is how we have our finished look, baby. And just for a little more added detail, I use my Black Radiance powder just to get the hairline more defined and more skin-like looking up and through those parts, so it just looks like it's coming straight from the girl's scalp. And here we are, flowing, beautiful. I know you can tell in this video how fluffy and soft this hair is. Like, when I say lit, litty. So I absolutely love this unit. I hope you guys love it too. Extremely affordable, so you definitely need to check them out. And even more importantly, she has this coupon code, okay? Go ahead and use my coupon code to save some extra dollars. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That is all I have for you, and I will see you in the next one. Stay true.
You and me. There's a lot on your skin, painted gold on your feet. If you're gonna lean into me, make sure you feel the heat. You can take what you want, but when you take it from me, I'll make sure that you fall upon the floor down to your knees. I'm betting on a miracle to give me peace. I'm not